Every piano technician knows this problem. Getting the keys perfectly level is an extremely time-consuming and painstaking task. On an upright piano, the process is still relatively straightforward. A single key can be removed, adjusted, and reinstalled. On a grand piano, however, the entire keyboard has to be pulled out of the instrument before any actual adjustment can begin. Each time this is done, the keybed is subjected to stress and gradually wears over time. Then the fine work starts. The key is removed, the correct number of washers is added or taken away, and the key is put back in, with the hope that it is now truly level. In the best case, everything fits. In the worst case, the exact same process has to be repeated several times. This is why Gebrüder Schulz developed VOLTA, a patented innovation for precise key leveling. With VOLTA, this traditionally tedious process is radically simplified. With just a single movement, using a dedicated adjustment tool developed specifically for VOLTA, each key can be brought exactly into the desired position, quickly, accurately, and with perfect repeatability. What used to be a time-consuming cycle of repeated adjustments becomes an efficient, controllable, and truly professional workflow with VOLTA by Gebrüder Schulz.